Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, we will tell you about 7 human foods that can be fatal to your dog. Certain foods that are safe for humans can be harmful to dogs. Because dogs have a different metabolism than people, feeding human foods to dogs can be very dangerous for their health, and may even be fatal in some cases. This video reviews 7 food items that have been proven toxic to dogs. If you have a dog, it's important to keep these foods out of their reach. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado contains a toxin called persin. It is completely safe for human consumption, but very toxic to dogs. Do not feed dogs part of the plant as it is contained in the fruits, seeds, leaves and skins of avocados. When dogs eat these, they can accumulate water in their lungs and chest. This makes breathing difficult and can lead to oxygen deficiency and death. Fluids can also accumulate in the heart, pancreas, and abdomen, causing other fatal complications. Eating any part of the avocado plant can cause severe health problems in dogs that may result in death. Number 2. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol commonly used to sweeten candies, chewing gum, toothpaste and baked goods. Thought to be safe for human consumption, it can be fatal to dogs. Eating foods containing xylitol can suddenly and significantly lower your dog's blood sugar levels. Early symptoms such as vomiting, weakness, depression, difficulty moving, coma, and seizures often appear within 30 minutes of ingestion. Finally, xylitol can cause liver damage and death. Eating foods containing xylitol can significantly lower your dog's blood sugar levels. This can lead to health problems, liver failure, and death. Number 3. Coffee, tea, and other caffeine. Caffeine is naturally found in the South American plants coffee, tea, cocoa and guarana. It is often added to soft drinks and medicines. Caffeine can increase the heart rate of dogs and stimulate the nervous system. Within 2 to 4 hours of ingesting caffeine, dogs can experience restlessness, excessive thirst, bladder control, vomiting, and diarrhea. Excessive intake of caffeine in dogs can lead to arrhythmias, lung failure and ultimately death. For reference, a typical cup of freshly brewed coffee contains about 95 milligrams. Several deaths from overdose of caffeine have been reported in dogs. Ingestion of caffeine can cause dogs to experience arrhythmias and lung failure, which can eventually lead to death. Coffee, tea and other sources of caffeine should be kept away from dogs. Number 4. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins can be extremely toxic to dogs. They can cause rapid kidney failure, which can ultimately be fatal. The toxic compounds in grapes are still unknown, but even small amounts can make your dog sick. Grapes and raisins are highly toxic to dogs. Even very small amounts can lead to kidney failure, which can be fatal. Number 5. Alcohol and yeast dough. Alcohol is found in a variety of products, including alcoholic beverages, perfumes, mouthwash, paint, varnish, and various cleaning products. While occasional alcohol consumption is safe for humans, dogs cannot tolerate it, even in small amounts. If a dog consumes alcohol, it can lead to serious health problems and even death. This can also happen if a dog eats raw yeast dough. Number 6. Chocolate. Chocolate contains the stimulant chemicals theobromine and caffeine, both of which are very difficult for dogs to metabolize. If a dog eats chocolate, it can cause stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and dehydration. These symptoms can also progress to more serious problems like heart attacks, internal bleeding, muscle tremors, seizures, and death. Eating chocolate can cause a slew of health problems in dogs and can even kill them. Number 7. Salt. Eating too much salt could lead to a condition known as salt poisoning or water deprivation in dogs. Eating too much salt can cause water deprivation in dogs, which can be deadly. You should avoid feeding salted foods to your dog, and make sure fresh drinking water is always available. Certain foods that are safe for humans, including the 7 listed here, can be very harmful to dogs. The best way to avoid food poisoning in dogs is to feed them only dog food and keep human foods out of reach. If your dog has eaten something it should not have, contact your vet or call the pet poison hotline immediately. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.